So we're going to go ahead and seal up this shaker. This is made with epoxy, and this is shaker film. I just take a sharp instrument. You can use a dry erase marker, trace a line around the perimeter of the open space. Then you're going to take your UV resin after you fill it, and you're just going to go around the perimeter in a thin line and use your silicone brush just to kind of pat it around. This just ensures that it's going to be nice and even. Then carefully place that shaker film right on top. Try not to move it. Go ahead and cure that, and then we're going to put our resin in the middle and work from the middle to the edge, making sure that everything's even. And then make sure you let it rest before the cure. That's the most important part, so that it levels out evenly. Then we're going to go ahead and gently place it into the lamp, or you can pick up your lamp and place it over top. Cure it for at least 120 seconds, and there you go. You've got this beautiful glass-like finish. You cannot beat this. It glows in the dark because I used our glow powder. But this is super fun. And if you guys need any help, please feel free to reach out, resinrockers.com.